If you live in Vermont and you receive SNAP benefits, I'd love to talk to you about a new program that can offer you financial support and other help while you're looking for a job. This is called Vermont's ICAN program, and that stands for the Individual Career Advancement Network. This is also known as SNAP Education and Training, but typically if you're in Vermont, it's going to be called ICAN. And their job is to help you overcome barriers to employment. So things like homelessness, transportation issues, limited work experience, things like that that could be holding you back so that you can overcome those and go to work. So you may be eligible for this if you receive 3 Squares VT, also known as SNAP benefits, if you are not active in the Reach Up program that's run by TANF, and if you are interested in pursuing work. This program is voluntary and you will not be forced to participate, and you will not be punished if you choose not to. We know this program is extremely helpful for able-bodied adults without dependents who need to meet work requirements. It's also been helpful for veterans, single parents, rural residents, underemployed workers, returning citizens, students, people dealing with homelessness, and so much more. So let's talk about the type of help you can get. First, we're going to talk about the practical stuff, and then we're going to get into those financial reimbursements that have helped so many people. So every ICAN participant gets a dedicated case manager who works with you one-on-one to identify your goals, create a personalized career plan, and more. They can meet with you in person or virtually or over email, whatever works best for you. They can help you with your job search by providing job search training such as cover letter help, interview skills, career exploration, networking opportunities, and so much more. They can also help with a supervised job search if you need that extra accountability. If you need to go back to school or to learn some new skills, they can help with GED preparation, high school completion. They can provide career and vocational training, including licensure programs. They have English language classes and other things that can assist you in building those skills that you might need. They also offer hands-on work experience through apprenticeships, job shadowing, internships, and on-the-job training as well. All sorts of opportunities can come through participation in this program. It really is incredible. Now, these benefits don't end after you've been hired. They do continue for up to 90 days after you start working, just to make sure that you have the extra support you need. But this right here is one of my favorite parts of this program, and that is the reimbursements. About 70% or 7 in 10 people who participate in this will get these reimbursements, and they can help you with all sorts of things. They can offer up to $1,000 for transportation expenses like gas or transit. They can provide up to $1,000 for auto repair. They can provide up to 2 months of car insurance or 3 months if you're in the job retention stage. They can help with tires, which is huge. I've had to replace tires on my vehicle this year, and it's astounding how much those cost. That is included in that transportation cap, though. They can also provide you with a bicycle or an e-bike and help you get a driver's license if you need that. Now, there are childcare and housing help programs as well. They can provide up to 3 months of assistance for your rent, and they may be able to assist you with childcare as well if you don't have any other alternatives. And that's not all. They can also help you with clothing and shoes, up to $300, up to $250 for technology, up to $120 for personal hygiene, and they can also help with tools, uniforms, and equipment needed for your job and training. There is even more support available beyond that, though, because they can help you with phone, internet, utilities, books, training, course registration, drug testing charges, fingerprinting charges, permits, fees, vision services, some emergency dental if you need that for employment, medical services, lodging, reasonable accommodations, business supplies, and more. This is truly a transformative program, and it all starts when you express your interest. You do that intake, they help identify your needs, and they identify what they can do to assist you. So if you're interested in getting started with all of this extra support, you just need to talk to your caseworker during the application or recertification interview. They're going to tell you about ICAN. They're going to check to see if you're eligible, and then you'll do the online orientation, which looks like it only takes about 6 to 10 minutes. It looks like there's a video and then a quick questionnaire. Then you will get connected with your team and start moving forward with those services. Now, some states are only doing this in certain areas, but Vermont says that ICAN is available across all 14 counties, so no matter where you live, you should be able to access these services, even if you have to do so virtually. Now, if you're interested in that, I hope you'll go get started with that. Don't forget to go check out our EBT discount list. There's all sorts of things you can save money on in Vermont if you have EBT. And we'll be back soon with more ways you can save money and get free stuff. I'll see you there.